Welcome back. So in this session, what we are going to do is we are going to start deploying our pods using the Kubelet software that we have installed, right? So let's just quickly go back to our table of contents sheet and see what we have planned for this in the next few sessions. We'll do pod deployment using Kubelet. We'll understand some of the core responsibilities of Kubelet, and we'll also get to know about this thing called as POS containers in Kubernetes, right? So let's go here into our Kubernetes essentials. The very first thing that we need to do is to start the Kubelet software, right? Now, there's a particular way in which we are going to do it. We are going to start the Kubelet software in such a way that it is going to monitor, observe a directory on our K8s master. And in this directory, as soon as we pour any kind of deployment, it will immediately going to deploy it. All right. So what we'll do is we'll start with creating a let's call this monitoring folder as manifests folder. All right. So we'll come back here. We'll connect to our K8 S master. Right. We'll just see this if we have any one of these directories here, right? We will come back here and say, all right, let's go ahead and create a directory called as mkdir manifests, right? Okay, the manifest directory is created. Let's go ahead and check it. Yes, right. Now we are going to start Kubelet to monitor this manifest directory, right? Because this is where we are going to pour our deployment. In case you are having any trouble starting Kubelet, or it is already started from the previous session, just use snap stop Kubelet, and that should be fine. All right. So we've done this. All right. Very good. Now, all the deployments that we are going to do in this series, I have put that on a GitHub repository, right? So this is the repository, the link for which is there in the documentation, right? So you can, take this link from the documentation, clone it on your local machine, and import it into your IntelliJ, right? If I come here, you'll see that I've already done it, right? And this is the deployment that we will do, right? All right. Okay, we'll get to know more about deployments in a short while. All right. Okay. Let's divide this window horizontally and start a Docker container watch over here, right? Watch is a software, in case you don't know, is a software which watches a particular command in your shell. So I'm saying watch Docker PS here, right? Okay, let me just log in first, right? Because that was my local machine, and then I'll say watch Docker PS, right? So since there's nothing deployed here, Docker will not show anything at this point of time. That's fine. All right. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just stop here to keep the video short. We'll come back in the next video and we'll get to learn a little bit about what deployments are, and we'll start deploying our pod. All right. So see you in a while. Thank you.